morning. It is the next day. I have just opened up my laptop. It is currently 3 minutes to 9, so I need to get going. And it's my first day back in the office. Back at work. I'm feeling very excited. I feel super refreshed and like ready to get on with it, but I also have a little bit of anxiety because I know there's gonna be like a lot of emails that I need to read and go through, and I've missed stuff, so I'm gonna have to catch up. Probably it's gonna take me the whole day, to be honest, but I've got my coffee. I still have a huge pile of laundry over there that I need to go through, and I think it's gonna take 2 loads because it's supposed to be a very warm day today as well, like 29 degrees, so that's amazing. Everything's gonna dry out very quickly, but at the moment, I don't know if you can see, it is a little bit chilly and gray, but the sun will come out later today and we'll be doing our washing again. But yeah, that's the update for now. I also haven't done the grocery list that I was meant to do, but later today I have yoga. And my gym is right by the big Tesco, so I'm gonna go and buy some stuff from there afterwards. So I need to make sure that today by 6 o'clock I have my grocery list ready to go. Now let's work.
A few moments later.
I've had something to eat. It's currently 11:45. It is super nice and warm outside. I was outside for a little bit, but I can't read my emails because of the screen, so I have to get back inside. And now I think I'm gonna do a grocery list for later tonight. I've gone through like the most important emails. I'm gonna go through all of them today. I've also posted a picture and a post on LinkedIn to announce that I'm back to work and, you know, make it all official and stuff. I don't have any calls today, which is amazing because I can just focus on work. That's the washing machine in the background, but now let's do the grocery list. I'm currently on my way to the gym. It's been a really long day today. I've got so many emails to catch up on and additional tasks that I needed to do today. But now I'm going to yoga. I got a protein bar because I haven't had lunch. It's too hot to cook or eat anything. So I just had a bigger sort of brunch. But now it's 5:45. My class starts at 6:30, so I'm gonna walk there. It's so lovely. Look, I have like short pants, like leggings and stuff. I still haven't done my grocery list, but I need to do the grocery shopping later today, so I need to do it on my way there. That's what I'm gonna be doing now. Then I'm also gonna review all the Airbnb places that we stayed at during our trip. Grocery list done. Places have been reviewed on both Airbnb and booking.com for our Croatia trip, and now I'm going to yoga. I'm about like 5 minutes away, so I have plenty of time, and then we're gonna go do our grocery shopping. But it's such a beautiful day. I love it when England is like this. It's just lovely. I am back home. I've done my grocery shopping. I'm all stocked up for the week. I might do a what I eat in a day or in a week, or it depends. I'll see what I feel like doing. But now I'm just putting everything away. And I'm gonna end the vlog here because there's been a lot of things that I've done the past couple of days since I've been back. But there's still a lot of things that I need to do, like the living room currently looks like this. I need to put all this away. I need to put that under the bed. I need to tidy up around here. I still have laundry to do. Like, I still have, I think, at least another load, if not 2, but that will be the last one. And I still have some clothes left outside in the garden to dry. Hopefully that will be fine. I've never left them outside in the garden during the night. But yeah, I'll leave the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're still here at this time, please like this video. I would really appreciate it a lot. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!